Covering over 70 acres, the Edinburgh's Royal Botanic Garden provides both beauty and relaxation. With a history dating back over 300 years, the gardens promote building a positive future for plants, people, and the planet. Located within a mile of the city center, the gardens provide an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. When we visited in June, the gardens exhibited a wealth of both blooms and bees. Keep watching to see just a snippet of what the gardens have in store for its visitors.
And of all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit to memory I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. If I had money enough to spend,